Girl, you funny as hell. Pass me that over there. You like yours? Tastes good? My shit tastes good as fuck. Yeah, let me get a piece. Here, you can have a piece from mine.
The Lex Factor.
Girl, you so sexy.
Yeah. She said, can she get that on the rocks, please? Vacation in South Beach, stay patient and count cheese. They waiting to count me out, but I'ma count these thousands. I ain't never got no loan, and growing up had no allowance. I paid everyone I owed. If I forgot, I will, I promise. Yeah, I found my own way, cause I ain't really had no guidance. Hey, half these niggas out here walking around without no knowledge. Get locked up, go to prison, learn something, get out, now he's solid. Hey, it's all about perspective, what you see and how you vibe it. Stay humble while you shining, kept it solid like a diamond. Can't lie, I'm low-key hard to find, but I ain't never hiding. Either in LA or Ipsy, bumping Ipsy. All my life been grinding all my life. They kill my boys before they turn them in. It's hard to say goodbye, but I know they ain't really die. They just flying high, angels in the sky. Help me change my mind when I ain't living right. But only God can judge me, I'm just living life. Only God can judge me, I'm just living life. Angels in the sky, help me change my mind when I ain't living right. Only God can judge me, I'm just living life. Yeah, angels in the sky, help me change my mind when I ain't living right. But only God can judge me, I'm just living life. I'm just living life. Angels in the sky. Oh yeah, that. Main niggas saying they tired of hearing about the struggle. We the same niggas spoon fed, never had to hustle. And we been had the keys to the city, you know we don't follow no trends, we just set them. In 2010, my jeans were skinny, whenever they see me, they never forget them. I can care less about the fame, grab from my last name, like Rothschild, Rockefeller. Before I gained anything, we felt so much pain, had to walk in the rain, no umbrella. I can do this, like give up in something, I would never say promise, I'm never gonna let them. Don't give a fuck where I'm at, if I'm out in LA or home, I'm still getting better. Was stuck in the loop, kept going through the same thing, had to go get it together. I stuck with my haters and fuck on they ladies, I'm twisted cause I get it wetter. You know I had to get it right. You know I had to get it right, fucking right. I'm looking at life from the bright side. Only 25 and I learned a lot in this lifetime. Passing me by like far side, so I gotta move slow when I'm outside. Gotta stay woke, I like all times. So they sold, but I got mines. About to blow like landmines, and it's about damn time, nigga. Yeah, I can't lie, love this shit. Yeah, angels in the sky, angels in the sky.